Hey guys, Mike here from Arrigo Outdoor Adventures. On this next adventure, I am back with Captain Neikirk. And we always seem to have a good time when we're together. We were doing some brush pile fishing out in the German Creek area of Cherokee Lake. The day started out slow, but as you watch the video, you'll see it picked up and we got a few keepers. We got a few small ones. We had a better day than it shows on the video because somebody, I'm not going to mention any names, Michael, forgot to turn the record button on and missed 2 or 3 of the crappies that I actually caught. On the video, you'll see he caught most everything. He is a pretty good fisherman, but he's not as good as me. At least I don't think he is. Nah, I'm just kidding. He's a great fisherman. But anyway, enjoy the video. You'll love it. Just stay tuned for more adventures. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button. We need to get our watch hours in. Make sure you go back and watch the other videos, guys. There's a lot of good fishing videos on there. It's not just crappie. There's trout fishing. There's some shell crackers. There's bluegill, a little bit of bass. So go ahead and go through the playlist and look at them. And I appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. Okay, using a little hair jig tipped with a minnow. There she be.
And I am now
Got him.
All right.
Felt him thump it. King of the babies.
Baby killer.
Yeah, black crappie, about 8 inches. Look how fat it is though. I felt the thump.
There you go.
Caught him on my
Oh, you weren't even using the jig, were you?
Yep. That is blue ice, and that is my ACC crappie jig head they sent me that I won. I won those from 903 Fishing. Boy, it sure looked a lot bigger on the screen.
I thought you had a giant going there.
You got a fish? What'd you catch? Was it a white bass?
It was a regular bass.
Oh, green carp. You were just hanging it off the boat and he hit it, didn't he?
Yeah.
That's funny. Captain Neikirk. Got him a green carp. Beautiful.
We
Nice.
call that coon bait.
Coon bait. Oh, that's funny. Here we go.
Let's see what's down there. Finishing.
And I felt it. Got him. Yep. Oh, look what I caught. Somebody's Suzuki rig or whatever. Look at that. What the flippity flammy flew. That is a first.
When you go fishing with Mike, you just never know what he's going to do.
Look at that.
You never know what's going
That's what I caught, brother. Put that there.
Mike was crappie fishing at,
That's crazy. Look at that.
did you feel that bite?
Nope. I just pulled and felt something. We'll throw that in the garbage when we get back. There we go. Oh yeah. Right there on top. See him?
There.
Got him?
Yes.
All right.
We might have to net this guy.
Okay. Well, shoot.
Yeah, he's a nice one. Oh, look at that.
Hang on, brother.
Look at the giant.
Oh.
Look at the giant. There you go.
All right. That's a beauty, brother.
Look at that.
It's about 12, right?
Yeah. That was
Here we go. Block crappie. Beautiful.
just on a
Under here, Jack. There we go. That's got some fish hiding on it. Oh. Thought I felt a bump. Maybe I was bumping the brush. Got him.
You got him.
Finally. Oh, that's a keeper.
Yeah.
I got 2. Yay! Sit still, little buddy. Well, I don't know. It's awful close.
There's a cup in there.
That one's a white crappie. Got him?
This one is a nicer fish.
Oh,
that's a
good.
keeper.
All right.
I'm gonna have to net him.
Hang on.
That 4-pound tough. Oh, yeah. Did he record it?
Yep.
Alright.
All right. White crappie. Nice one. Beautiful. Put it up in the camera there. All right. Good job. We just doubled up.
Straight jig, man.
Straight jig. Well, I had a minnow on that one.
Little go juice on it.
Well, let's put a little bit of go juice on mine and see what happens. Maybe they'll hit it better. A little bit of go juice.
It's getting nice out here when the wind died down.
Yeah. Come on, man. They're on the bottom. They're everywhere. Got him? All right. Is he decent?
Yeah. Keeper.
Oh, yeah. Do you need the...
Yep.
Need the net.
Yeah, I got, ooh, decent fish.
All right. Good job, brother.
That's a monster.
Oh, beautiful, brother.
Got that one.
That's a hog. Let me lip him.
Ooh, Christmas. That's what we're after right there.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Well, it didn't start out good, but we're getting caught back
Well,
up
it's that last hour bite. You know?
That's another one just on that.
That's a beauty.
Straight little jig.
Yep.